Okay, so we're in here at the shop with the family. It looks a little crazy. Hannah here is securing our plate for the bath bomb press. The bath bomb press. We're starting off with the medium round. Medium round.
Or refill it?
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and fill it.
Yeah.
So it's just lightly filled?
Yeah.
Like that?
Give it a little bit, like get it like a little bit more of a mound, and then press it in.
Oops.
Oh, no worries.
He's helping you.
Yeah, and then press it in flat.
Like,
Completely flat.
Yeah,
that's perfect. Okay, so it looks like there's a little place for them to kind of like secure itself in. Feel secure?
Yep.
Okay, so I think you're supposed to press this down and then hit that thing. Okay. So maybe something's still locked. All right, so go ahead. We did it. Oh, nice.
it's quite scary.
Take it out. What do they do in the videos?
Just
unpush it from the bottom.
what? What?
What?
And it's still quite soft. Should we put it back and just add more powder?
And it's filling in our mold. Okay, this is the perfect place.
I feel like
Does it feel tighter? Maybe a little bit more?
I feel like it needs more.
Okay, go ahead and put some more.
Oh, and then just
Yeah. This is gonna be perfect this time. I think our pressure was a little too light, so I think we just increased it back up to 65 PSI. Let's give it one more try. Okay, one more. One more. All right. Let's see. Let's try to unmold it now. Okay, she's gonna tap it out. We know what we're doing. How's it look? It's pretty.
Very tiny, huh?
This ring around it though.
Yeah. Well, in bath bomb world, that's called a Saturn ring, and they like those. But if we want a smaller Saturn ring, I think you just fill it in less. If we want a bigger Saturn ring, we fill it in more. Woo-hoo! So what do we think, Hannah?
I like it. It's kind of scary at first, but yeah.
It is a little scary, but I think it'll save our muscles. You know.
I think it'll make it easier. 2 at a time instead of 1.
Yeah. Oh, especially when we get the both of them on there.
It condenses more, huh?
Yes, the
More
pressure.
Than the head press.
I think so. What do you think?
So this one, it pressed like
Pretty good, huh?
2 at the same time? There's
Yeah.
2. There's 2.
2 at a time. Increase production.
See?
We just put on the donut version of the mold, but this one here got a little stuck, so we use this little tool to get it loose. Got excited and started making a little bit more without filming, and look at this! Super cute! And sprinkles. Beautiful. Look at the height. Very nice. What do you think? What is your review of this donut compared to our normal donuts?
It's taller. It's a lot taller.
Does it feel just as voluminous, like what we normally have?
It's the same thickness.
I can't wait to like drizzle them or dip them.
Dip a side of them.
Yeah.
Dip.
Look how clean the lines are. This is made with our normal bath bomb recipe, so we didn't really have to change anything. It came out perfect, right?
It's these things.
Okay. We're getting excited. We're making 2 colors now. We have moved to the bath bomb donut. We did 2 donuts. One was really hefty, had a really thick Saturn ring. This one we're going to shoot for a little thinner Saturn ring. Okay.
Got it.
We're going to press this safety.
Push on the brake.
mold.
Daddy, it's like trying to put you ain't told me about that. Well, but you're not gonna hear about it.
It's magic.
This is even a smaller ring, I think.
I know.
I like it.
I like it too. Ooh. Oh, all right. So,
Maybe more powder in the middle.
so we might need either our mix was too dry or we might need to fill it up just a little bit more.
No, the sadness.
All right, though. It's cute though. But we're gonna save this thing. Y'all thought we was gonna give up? Mm-mm. It ain't never happening.
What's
Let's do an experiment and see what the donut comes out looking like with the whole
okay?
not pre-pressed. Alright. Well, it looks smooth again. That's a good sign.
No.
Can it come out?
Cornelia
Okay.
I think it. The youngest kids.
Hello?
Why does it do that all the time?
Okay, so she got thicker. How does she feel? Does she feel more together?
You have a hold if you just leave it like this.
Okay, okay. Well, how did the hole do? Oh, press clean.
So would you say this is faster than the other way?
Yes.
Yes.
I do.
Once we get a flow going, everything will be okay.
Right. Right. We just gotta get it. We gotta master the unmolding, but I think that looks
Yeah.
so pretty. So detailed. Oh, can I take a picture?